the demand for energy products, oil products, refined products. I wonder how you're looking at the oil and gas theme in Malaysia, how to play it stock-wise.
Yeah, we like it actually. So when you look at the KLCI, it's been the worst performing index in ASEAN year to date. But actually, that's just among the big caps. We've seen profit taking in banks and plantation stocks for stock specific or sector specific reasons. One of the best performing sub indices is actually oil and gas, and that's been boosted, by a couple of things. China reopening, boosting the demand outlook. Also, Petronas resuming its aggressive capex spend as well has helped the oil and gas players here. So I think we remain very positive on the sector. The stocks we like, three come to mind in the bigger cap space. One is Dialog, which has very valuable assets in the south of the country in terms of potential chemical and oil storage facilities being developed there. The second is Yinsen, which is a major player in the FPSO space and one of the stronger players. So it is quite uniquely positioned to win more contracts and create more value. And the third is Hibiscus, which is the only upstream play listed in Malaysia. Results just came out; they were fantastic. And we think there continues to be a lot more upside to that stock at these levels.
Okay, those are interesting names. Dialog we can already see on the screen. It's down in today's session, but I reckon has done well, being an underlying energy theme. I also want to talk about the consumer in the region and how strong has been the consumption story here.
Yeah, I think the consumption story has been benefiting from the reopening. I think that's the case across all the countries. But we kind of like some countries more than others. So for consumption, the bigger countries like Indonesia and the Philippines tend to attract our attention. I think in Indonesia, we like stocks like MAPI, Kalbe Pharma. And for the Philippines, stuff like SM Investments, GT Capital, and of course URC are stocks we would look at for the consumption theme longer term, because these countries beyond the reopening thematic have a strong domestic demand story which is quite structural in nature. So the bigger economies would be where I would look for the best consumer exposures in ASEAN.